Looking for a game changer in your marketing strategy? Look no further. In this video, we'll unveil the ultimate solution to all your marketing needs, an all-in-one suite AI app that will revolutionize the way you create and manage your marketing assets. Say goodbye to expensive paid apps and hello to a low one-time fee that gives you access to a single dashboard where you can handle every aspect of your marketing efforts. PixaSuite AI is an all-in-one 9-in-1 suite AI app to create and manage all your marketing assets from one single dashboard, and replaces dozens of expensive paid apps. App 1. AI Content Creator. Create any kind of content or script in a snap. Summaries, blog article idea, blog article intro, blog article, website headline, SEO title, SEO description, SEO keywords, ad title, ad description, reviews, social media bio, social media hashtags, video idea, video title, video description, Instagram caption, or anything social media bio. App 2. Cloud Storage. Store, share and access all your business files with 100% security on 10 GB cloud storage. App 3. Page and Website Builder. Create and host stunning websites in just 60 seconds. App 4. Website Engagement Booster. Create FOMO, social proof, engage and keep your website visitors. App 5. Link Shortener, bio links and QR codes. Create smart links, QR codes and bio pages. App 6. Web Optimization and SEO Tools. Track your SEO issues and help to improve the visibility of your websites in search engines. App 7. AI Images and Art Generator. Generate multiple AI art styles with just a keyword. App 8. AI Voiceover. Generate human-sounding voiceovers for your videos or podcasts. Transform any text into a human-like voiceover. App 9. Music and Song Maker. Smoothly convert any text into fresh and mesmerizing music tracks like a pro. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Join the ranks of successful marketers who have already embraced this cutting-edge technology. Visit the below link to watch PixaSuite AI in action now.